Hi, I'm Taylor, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where we teach you the skills to supercharge your work with AI. If you're tired of Gen AI hype without real results, you're not alone. In the Gen AI race, most organizations are eager to get to Mars, but they're failing to even get to orbit. At our company, we decided to redesign our way of thinking. Gen AI ROI isn't about writing faster. It's about thinking deeper. It's not an admin tool. It's a high-level consultant available to every employee 24/7. Here is the new standard. Before a new initiative launches, or before anyone walks into a room with a big idea, we ask one simple question. Have you ever worked with Gemini? We built a custom strategic challenger gym. We position Gemini as a zero-ego environment to stress test ideas before they're shared. Instead of weeks of review cycles to uncover friction, our team surfaces those issues in minutes. It forces our team to answer the hard questions before the leadership ever asks them. What friction will this create on the front line? What second and third order effects will we be missing? Here is the core framework to build this strategic gym for yourself. Step 1. Define the role clearly. In the instructions, tell the gym, act as a strategic challenger. Pressure test ideas across stakeholder impact, operational feasibility, second-order effects, and potential fail states. Step 2. Hard code the lenses. Require it to always respond from multiple perspectives: the employees, the operators, executive, and the industry. Step 3. Force friction. Instruct it to challenge assumptions, identify blind spots, and highlight risk before suggesting improvements. When an idea finally reaches the room, it no longer is one-dimensional. It's holistic. It's resilient. This isn't automation replacing humans. It's augmentation strengthening human expertise and judgment. You're not deploying a tool. You're operationalizing strategic thinking. Are you ready to get started? Now it's your turn. Earn your badge by completing the challenge. Thanks for watching and have fun.